Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be covering the basic installation procedures for our rear hardtop light bar bracket kit for the 2018 and up Jeep JL Wrangler. Installation is very easy and can be done at home in your garage in less than 30 minutes. Let's get started. All right, to get started with the installation of our brackets, we're going to open up the hatch. And on the back glass here, you're gonna see 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. Now we're gonna remove these to install our brackets, but you wanna make sure to do one side at a time because removing both sides at the same time, you'll actually have a lot of flex in the glass and we don't wanna do that. Now these bolts are short enough that you could easily remove them with a 10mm ratchet, but we're gonna use a drill for our purposes. Now, once you've got those 10mm bolts out, you'll notice that the hatch flexes a little bit. That's totally okay. It can be helpful to have a second set of hands to hold the glass, but you can definitely do this by yourself. Simply slide the bracket over the stock bracket. Make sure your holes line up, and then you can re-secure those 10mm bolts we just took out. Now we're going to repeat all the same steps on the other side. All right, with our brackets mounted, we can shut the hatch and bolt on our light bar. Now to bolt on our light bar, we're gonna use the 2 included 10mm bolts, 1 on either side of the bar. To get it secured, you'll wanna lightly thread in each bolt on either side to get the bar in place, then you can tighten them down to finish the installation. Now you'll notice when tightening the light bar down that there's a little bit of flex in each bracket, and that's why we recommend lightly threading in each bolt before tightening it down. With our light bar securely in place, we can reopen the hatch. And we're gonna run our power wire down behind the glass, which will allow us to connect it to the included harness extension wire. You're gonna tuck it into this little channel right here at the hatch bracket, and then run your wiring down next to the weather stripping and into this little notch right here to protect it from the elements and keep it from pinching when you open and close the hatch. Then it's just a matter of plugging it into your harness extension wire. Also included in the kit are the adhesive wire clips. Now you don't have to use them, but we recommend using them to secure the harness. That way it doesn't get pinched when you're opening or closing the hatch. So to connect your light bar harness extension, you're gonna first connect it to your power supply. Then you're gonna run the harness between the battery and the front fender and then down the frame of the vehicle. When you get to the back, the wire is then routed behind the rear fender liner, over the rear shackle, up through the rear bumper and into the cargo area. Then you can connect it to the light bar and your installation is complete. With your new light bar kit installed, you'll now enjoy dramatically increased light output anytime you need rear-facing visibility. Paired with our new flood optic that's available for the Stage Series light bars, you'll have the biggest light spread in the industry, which is perfect for backing up, setting up campsites, or working on a job site at night. This kit is available right now on diodedynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.